At midnight, as the clock struck 12, the mischievous dog of the house, Bruno, pushed open the fridge door with his paw. He slowly pulled out a bowl of chicken and stuffed a sausage in his mouth. But just then, the cat Mimi jumped down from the top of the fridge and came face to face with him. Their eyes met in silence. Bruno made a guilty face. Mimi slapped him with her paw. The bowl fell, and milk spilled everywhere. The noise disturbed their mother's sleep. Angry, she came into the kitchen, only to see Bruno stuck halfway inside the fridge door. She couldn't stop herself from laughing, hugged Bruno, and, from that night onwards, a baby lock was installed on the fridge.